one of those photo shoots days, but I had a cat, a bucket, a sibling, baby in the bucket, and I had to soothe the baby. Make sure you stick around till the end. Okay, let's have fun! Sissi here. Tomorrow will be an interesting day. We are going to have a baby, a toddler, and a cat.
What?
Yes, a cat. Oh my god, I've never shot a pet together with a toddler as well as a newborn. 3 challenges in one. I like challenges. Hopefully it will work out. I'm going to prepare my setups. I was hoping to get the toddler and the cat out of the way first and then focus only on the newborn. Okay, behind me is where I'm going to shoot these 3 creatures together. It's nice and big. It's a wooden floor that I painted before, and the backdrop is a matching wooden floor. What I'm gonna use, what I was thinking is that I need to place the baby into a bucket and then sit the toddler by the side. The big sister, she's 4 years old, and I think she would be cooperative at this age. First thing first, I am going to find a bucket. That's a good one. I like the color. So matchy with our cat. Maybe I'll grab this one for the cat to sit on. Baby here, the cat here, and the toddler here. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but I would prefer the sister to wear maybe a earthy tone dress, but I don't think they will be able to find. I don't have a dress for a 4-year-old, so the white one would do for now. In terms of the color setup, as you can see, everything is in neutral tone. I'm going to find a cream something, maybe a cream blanket, knit layer. This just looks too busy to me. Okay, I like that. Nice and clean. Now I'm using my poser in my bucket, and my knit layer is going to hide the padding underneath. Alrighty, this is at least what I have planned. Cat sits here, baby sits there, and the toddler sits there. Hello, 你好吗？今天过来干什么呀？啊，对啊，拍照，给谁拍照？刚刚还没有注意到，看 ，Look at that， We've got a cat。我能把它放出来吗？它的颜色是深的，所以刚刚没注意。男孩还是女孩？啊，公公，公公，叫什么名字？奥巴马。奥巴马。We have a cat model and a baby model. And a small sibling model. Here we go. High five. Yes! Now baby in the bucket. For safety purpose, I am going to shoot the baby by himself first, and then pose the sibling and the pet cat and let him to fall in deep sleep before I pose him further. I'm going to slowly tilt his head towards the light. I have a feeling his head is going to fall to the left side. I just need to slowly straighten his head, and I'm gonna pull his right hand forward, try to put underneath his face and spread the hands apart. He seems very upset when I move both hands. Sorry. Oh, now you want to lift it up. Okay, you just want to pose yourself, don't you? I've just put a medium bean at the baby's back so he's not sliding down. Okay. Now I'm going to cover up with this fabric. Fat fingers. Just wanted to pull my knit layer underneath so it's straightened. Now you want to turn your head around. There we go. So I took a few photos of the baby by himself in the bucket. Then I asked the mom to bring the sibling along. 小姐姐看阿姨这边好不好？好，妈妈把手放到上面，抱着弟弟的头好不好？对吧？你现在要保护弟弟，现在你要保护弟弟 ，OK？ You are protecting him. Are you a superhero? Yes. 我估计错误，这个垫子有点小。来，小姐姐，你把腿这样放好，把手拉这边。Your little brother is all yours. You gotta look after him, okay? 妈妈也帮我一只手放在宝宝的头上面。啊，我爸妈，我爸妈。帮我看好宝宝啊。好了，是毛蛋。你的后期。这边，嘿，这样子不行。我们把宝宝先抱。来，奥巴马到这边来，还在这里。好了，我拿个带你掏出来拍照，你给我老实点啊。靠近一点，靠近一点那个头。好，喵喵喵喵。你要学老鼠叫。我怎么？没有养过猫，不知道怎么逗猫。OK， 这个很好。抓到一个。好，可以了，你可以把猫拿走，然后我再单独拍一下。姐姐，你把脚脚放下来。好嘞。好，小姐姐抱一下铁皮桶。Eyes on me. Yes, a big smile. Beautiful. Peekaboo. Hand down. Your hand down. Yes, on the bucket. I took this image just in case I need to swap heads later on. Okay, so here is the gallery that I am going to show my clients. I didn't want to show them 100 all duplicate images, so I narrowed down to a total of about 30. That's usually the quantities that I show my clients anyways. So with this particular setup, there's about 10 photos. So I've got that one I think looks cool. It's an easy job to remove the hinge. It's a vertical one. Then I want to show them a horizontal one. That's a close-up. I like his smirk. But parents, I'm not too sure. Some do, some don't. So I gave them the other option of the baby's calming face. This one is a photoshopped image. That was the original. I showed them just in case they want to have this particular, just in case they want this particular picture, just the baby and the sibling by themselves without the cat. And this kiss one, which is so sweet. If I was mom, I would definitely pick this one, blow it up. I like this is a vertical one. I knew it in the beginning that a lot of photos would have to have the hands and Photoshop work afterwards due to the safety side. I didn't mind. So with that in mind, I just take a ton of shots with the baby, without the baby, Photoshop the baby, without the cat, with the cat, all these different combinations. And also the important thing is without the mom as well, so you get the background information that you could Photoshop. Yeah, so take as many pictures as possible. Then later on down the track, if I have to Photoshop, it always comes to handy. Yeah, so I did it. Look at the pictures. I like it. Do you like it too? Alright, thank you guys for watching my videos. Give me a thumb up and consider subscribing. Alright guys, I'll see you again in the next video. Bye!